No feedback rows exist yet, so target medium is unknown. I will make a strong broad first guess with Inception because it tests movie, 2010, high rating, sci-fi action thriller, Nolan, and major actors. I'm accepting the cookie banner, selecting the search result row, and then clicking the guess button because enter alone will not submit. Type card is green for the guess Inception, whose median is movie, so target median equals movie. Year card appears red, meaning farther than 2 years from 2010, but the arrow direction is obscured by the open dropdown. Rating card appears red, meaning farther than 0.5 from Inception, but the arrow direction is also obscured. No visible overlaps. Genre action, adventure, sci-fi are gray. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page are not highlighted. Director Christopher Nolan is not highlighted. Constraints. Target is a movie, not action, adventure, sci-fi from the shown pills, not using those listed Inception actors or Christopher Nolan, and year and rating are not close to Inception. Type card is green for an Inception, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with down arrow, so the target is older than 2010 by more than 2 years. Rating is red with down arrow, so the target rating is lower than 8.8 by more than 0.5. No Inception genres, actors, or director overlap, so I will test an older lower rated non-action adventure sci-fi movie with comedy and drama using The Truman Show. Type card is green for The Truman Show, whose medium is movie, so target median equals movie. Year is yellow with an up arrow, meaning the target is within 2 years and newer than 1998, likely 1999 or 2000. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is within 0.5 but lower than 8.2, roughly 7.7 to 8.1. Overlaps. Genre comedy is green, drama is gray. Actors Jim Carrey, Ed Harris, Laura Linney are not highlighted. Director Peter Weir is not highlighted. Constraints. Target is a movie, newer than 1998 but close, rating just below 8.2, includes comedy but not drama, and does not include the listed Truman Show people. Type card is green for The Truman Show, so target median equals movie. Year is yellow with up arrow, so the target is a 1999 or 2000 movie. Rating is yellow with down arrow, so it is lower than 8.2 but within 0.5. Comedy overlaps, while drama and the Truman actors and director do not, and earlier Inception ruled out action, adventure, sci-fi, and Nolan people. I will guess South Park because it is a 1999 comedy movie around 7.7 without drama, action, adventure, or sci-fi. Type card is red for South Park, whose medium is TV series, so target medium equals movie. Year is yellow with an up arrow, meaning the target is within 2 years and newer than 1997, likely 1998 or 1999. Rating is red with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is more than 0.5, lower than 8.7, so below 8.2. Overlaps. Genres animation and comedy are green. Actors Trey Parker, Matt Stone, and Isaac Hayes are green. Actors Mona Marshall and April Stewart are gray. Director Trey Parker is green while Eric Stufft is gray. Constraints. Target is a movie from 1998 or 1999. Rating below 8.2. Includes animation and comedy. Includes Trey Parker, Matt Stone, Isaac Hayes, and director Trey Parker, and is not the South Park TV series. Type card is red for South Park, whose guess medium was TV series, so target median equals movie. Year is yellow with up arrow, making the target a newer nearby movie, and rating is red with down arrow, so it is lower than 8.7. Animation, comedy, Trey Parker, Matt Stone, Isaac Hayes, and director Trey Parker all overlap, which strongly identifies South Park, bigger, longer, and uncut. I will search with the distinctive fragment bigger, choose the matching drop-down row, then click guess to submit. Nice, the answer was South Park, bigger, longer, and uncut, solved in 4 guesses. The key clues were that the target was a movie from 1999 with a 7.7 rating, plus the animation and comedy overlaps and the Trey Parker, Matt Stone, and Isaac Hayes connections pointing straight to South Park.